Today I want to show you how you can create AI videos using a free site. Yes, I'm not talking about Grok today. I'm going to introduce you to a different platform where you can create or generate your videos for free. So stay with me from beginning, pay attention till the end and learn something new. Some of us might have knowledge about this platform, but even if you do not have knowledge about it, don't worry, pay attention. At the end of it, you will be able to do it all by yourself. So you head over to your Chrome, open your Chrome. As usual, the face will show like this. You go ahead and type Google Labs FX. Watch attentively. Google Labs FX. Then you click on it. When you click on it, it will open like this. Now look at the first one. Pay attention. The first icon here. That is the one you have to click. So go ahead and click on it. When you click on it, it will open like this. If it shows sign up, you go ahead and sign up. Mine, because I have signed up already, that is why it's showing like this. So you go ahead and sign up with your email account. Once you are done signing up, you scroll down. You will see different things this app can do. But the one we are looking for is this one, Flow. We are looking for Flow. Inspire your inner storyteller by generating videos. So go ahead and click on Launch Flow. Click on Launch Flow. It will open like this. When it opens, you click on New Project. The plus sign down. Click on it. Give it some time to load. It's loading. You will see this interface will show. First of all, click here. Just in case, as you log in to this point, it is showing image. So let me click on this place so you can see we have image and we have video. If you want to generate image, which I will not advise you to come here and generate image. You have already generated your image using other platforms. Here you should come and generate your video. So you click on that video, you set it according to the platform you want to post a video. I have already set it on 9:16 because I want to post this video on Facebook. All right. Once you're done like this, let me tap the line again. You tap on that video link again here. Tap on here again so that it will take you back to this point. From here, what you need to do is click on Start. Look here, you will see Start. Click on Start. When you click on Start, it will ask you to upload image. So the image that you want to use for the video is what you want to upload. You click on Only This Time. Click on Only This Time. It will show like this. You click on that file. Click on that file and then select the particular image you want to use. So I will go ahead and select this image that you want to use. Let me select this one. Selecting it is you clicking on that image on the left. You click on it and then look up. You will see select. You click on it. Give it some time for it to upload. As you can see, it is uploading. So you give it some time. Once it gets to 100%, you will see your image that you want to use for the video. Now here is our image. This is the image I want to use. Now if you look down, you will see what do you want to create. So this is where you now post your prompt, what you want this image to do. So go ahead and type your prompt. If you want this image to sing, if you want this image to talk, whatever you want this image to do. So for the purpose of this class and the fact that I don't want to delay at all, I will just give it a simple prompt. Let this image cross the road while singing. All right, so I will just leave it at this. You have already set aspect ratio, so there's no problem with aspect ratio anymore. You have equally selected your image. So what you need to do now is go ahead and click on send. This is a send button. Let me show you here. Click on it. All right, please pay attention. When you click on it, you wait. It is generating. Give it some time for it to generate. Normally it will generate 2 videos for you to choose the one you like. So you pay attention and see the end result so that we will choose together the one you feel is better. So this is how you create your stories using Google Labs FX. When you get to FX, you open it, you select Flow. As we all know, the platforms for free AI video generations are very limited. All right, our video is ready. While the one on the left said, Flow is experiencing high demand. Please try again in a few minutes. The second one has given us the video we are looking for. So let me go ahead and play this video so you see the outcome. Got that sunshine in my soul today. Walking down the street in my own way. Yeah, the music's lifting me up high. Got that sunshine in my soul today. All right, our video is ready. As you can see. Street in my own way. Yeah, the music's lifting me up high. Got that sun. Okay, so you can go ahead and download your video now. So click on this place. Here, that is where you will click, and you click on original size 720p original size. Click on it and wait. Click on open. Here is our video. You can play it and listen to it again. In my soul today, walking down the street in my own way. Yeah, okay, so that is how you can download your video you generate with Flow. The good thing about this Flow is that it gives 8 seconds per video, unlike Grok that gives 6 seconds. Flow gives 8 seconds per video. So go ahead and generate different videos, and then you go to CapCut and join them together. If you have listened up to this point, I believe you should go ahead and start creating your AI videos for free using Flow. All right, do well to hit the subscribe button, hit the notification button, so that anytime I drop a video, you should be the first to see. Thank you and bye-bye.